Adsterra is a global online advertising platform that connects publishers, website, and app owners with advertisers. It offers a variety of ad formats, including banners, pop-unders, and native ads, and provides advanced targeting options to ensure that ads are shown to the right audience. Adsterra also offers a $500 daily earnings cap for publishers, which is one of the highest in the industry. With its user-friendly platform and comprehensive guide for beginners, Adsterra makes it easy for publishers to start earning top dollar. If you're looking to make money online in 2024, Adsterra is the perfect place to start. With its user-friendly platform and comprehensive guide for beginners, Adsterra makes it easy to get started earning top dollar as a publisher. Here's a complete, detailed tutorial, step-by-step, on how to make money online by Adsterra in 2024. Step 1. Sign up for Adsterra. To get started, head to the Adsterra website and sign up for an account. Follow the prompts to provide your basic information and create a password. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Step 2. Add your website or app. To start earning money with Adsterra, you'll need to add your website or app to your account. This is done by clicking on the Add Website button in your dashboard and providing the necessary information about your site or app. Be sure to include all relevant details, such as your site's URL and category. Step 3. Choose your ad format. Adsterra offers a variety of ad formats, including banners, pop-unders, and native ads. Choose the format that best fits your site or app and add it to your account. You can also choose from a variety of ad sizes and styles to match your site's design. Step 4. Set up targeting options. Adsterra offers advanced targeting options that allow you to control who sees your ads. You can target users based on their location, device type, operating system, and more. This ensures that your ads are shown to the right audience, which can lead to higher conversion rates and more revenue. Step 5. Optimize ad placement. To maximize your earnings with Adsterra, it's important to optimize the placement of your ads on your site or app. Place ads in high-traffic areas and test different placements to see which ones perform best. You can also use Adsterra's analytics tools to track the performance of your ads and make informed decisions about where to place them. Step 6. Utilize Adsterra Direct and Secret earning tricks. As we mentioned earlier, Adsterra Direct is a direct link advertising solution that allows publishers to earn even more by promoting specific products or services directly to Adsterra's advertisers. Be sure to take advantage of this feature when it becomes available in 2024. Additionally, keep an eye out for Adsterra's secret earning tricks, which will be revealed closer to 2024. These tricks will help you maximize your earnings with Adsterra and take advantage of the $500 daily earnings cap. By following these steps and utilizing Adsterra's resources, you can start earning top dollar as a publisher in 2024.